Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to tweet on Twitter. For this, I am going to use the Twitter app itself. You can also do the same. So tap on Twitter, make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this addition icon inside a circle on the bottom right corner. Here, you can see that you have mainly three of the options, that is Spaces, Photos and GIF. Spaces includes your voice note, while Photos include all of the photos and medias. And even you can use GIF as well. So I'm going to use photos, tap on photos and choose one picture from the gallery that you want to tweet about. So when you're done, so this is it. Now I'm going to add some GIF over here by tapping on this GIF option on the bottom left. So I can use any of the GIF. Let me use something of dance. You can also do the same. So here, I can just tweet it around the Twitter circle or even public. So I'm going to choose public. I can even add a location over here by tapping on add a location. So I'm going to enable it. You can also do the same. So this lets Twitter collect, store and use a device's precise location. So I'm going to tap on OK. So even you can choose that who can reply to your tweets. Tap on this everyone can reply option. So you can see that I have enabled the location for myself. Now tap on this everyone can reply option and you can see that you can pick who can reply to this tweet. It might be everyone, it might be people you follow or only people you mention. So I'm going to mention everyone. You can choose off your own. So after this, you can even add a comment here. Tap on add a comment and then add something. So when you're done keeping a comment, then you can see that you do have an option of addition on the bottom right, where you can tap on it and add another tweet. So when you're done, you can tap on tweet option on the top right corner. So here, you can see that you have successfully tweeted and it's being loaded as well to your Twitter what's sent. Tap on this profile icon on the top left corner and then tap on profile option to see that you have successfully tweeted on Twitter. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.